2016 Ram 1500 HEMI, 5.7 liter V8. What we got done on it for you guys, there's the stock converters there and there. Then we crossed it over and did true duals all the way back 2 1/4. And then mandrel bent 2 1/4 tailpipes there and there into massive 6-inch tips, because it looks beast. I love it. That looks awesome. What do you guys think? Let us know. That's the pipe we cut off, and everything else actually fell off, so somewhere on the interstate. And he's like, I'm gonna go with true duals. I said, I don't blame you. And like always, please like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps us keep bringing these videos to you guys. Let you guys hear it in a second. 2014 Ford F-150 5.0 Coyote. What we got done, something really nice on this one. It's got factory converters there and there. Then we did true duals. So we took the Y pipe out, that's over there. I'll show you guys in a second. We crossed it over to equalize the pressure and true dualed it all the way back. And kept going and going and going on this side and this side into 4-inch rolled tips by 18. Right there and right there. That's what it looks like, guys. And like always, please subscribe, like, smash that like button, all that good stuff. Keep us going. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2011 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it for you guys today is got factory converters there and there. Then the customer requested true duals, but it had the dreaded third cat, so we had to put a dual in, dual out catalytic converter on it, right there. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back on each side, right there and right there, into 6-inch tips there and there. We got to get those hangers cut off right there and right there. 6-inch tips. This is the system we cut off of it right there. There's where the cat was. There's the muffler, flex pipe, tailpipe, all right there. He wanted to put a trailer hitch on it, so he wanted them out the side. I said, no problem. There it is. Came out really beautiful, really clean. Wow. That looks good. I love it. Again. There's sound decibels. One more. That's crazy. We're about to do the same to this one, maybe. We'll see. I don't know if you watch it out loud. The Hemis never disappoint. What do you guys think? Let us know. At 120, bro. True dual, straight pipe. Oh my God, it sounds disgusting. Hell yeah. There's the white pipe on it that we cut off. There's the resonator, and there's the muffler and tailpipe. And we came back out with true duals. Why? Why not, right?
Exactly. Get it loud.
Hell yeah! The louder the better. Disturbing the peace. Oh my God! That's awesome, huh? One more. 15 or 11 Chevy Silverado. Sound decibels? 107. Sounds phenomenal. I love it. What you guys hear on the inside? What's up, man? "2014. There's the old, there's the new. What do we need all that for? We don't need that. That stuff makes it quiet. We like it loud, especially on a Coyote motor. You cannot go wrong with a Coyote motor on those. That is a beautiful truck. True dual all the way. Just wait for the drive out, guys. It's gonna really like it. Camera don't give it justice, guys. It's so loud. Oh my God. 2011 Silverado. It's his workhorse.